Did you ever crave a very light meal or a savory snack that's kind of sort of guilt free in a way? Something easy to prepare, really easy on the pocketbook. Hello. I just had something on Saturday afternoon for lunch and said, I have to tell you about this. And therefore, that's why I'm giving you this little bit of a no frills video. Hi, I'm Jan from New York City. This is a no frills video. It is beyond a minute, but less than five. If you are craving some real food, you don't want greasy food, but you want kind of like real food. It's like in between a snack. I don't know. It's just like real food, but just really, really delicious. Okay. If you happen to have pita bread, pita bread, and the one I used was, the full size one, and I cut it into quarters. What I did was cut up and down and cut across, and it leaves me with four wedges or four triangles. And what I did was I carefully opened up each of the triangles. I took two pieces of, your standard American cheese, the kind that's sliced up. I happen to use American. You could probably use another type if you like, maybe Munster, but it worked really good with the American cheese. Just saying. So with the two slices of American cheese, I cut those slices in half, yielding me four half slices of American cheese. So inside of each wedge or inside of each triangle of the pita bread, I placed that little piece of cheese in there, the half of a half. Well, then what I did, this is important, I took nonstick spray and I sprayed the top of each wedge. I placed them in my 350-degree air fryer and I let it air fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Oh my word. What happens? You're going to get an extremely crispy on the outside, very warm, and the cheese inside is melted, but the cheese is hot. So I'm warning you that the cheese on the inside will be hot. So you might want to wait a few seconds before you eat it or give it to anyone. I'm just telling you, but oh my gosh, what a nice clash of texture and flavor. The warmth from the heating up, the crispiness, the refreshing of the pita bread, and the melted, yummy American cheese. This is definitely a game changer, in my opinion. And it just tastes like a really, really rich snack, but it's really not. Because each bread that I looked at on the back of the ingredients was listed as only 120 calories for the entire pita bread, and then the two slices of the American cheese that you're going to cut into four. I forgot what the number was, but it wasn't so bad. And you're using non-stick. It's not like you're putting on butter or other fats, increasing calories, because the non-stick is like near like a calorie for the whole thing. Oh my gosh, if you happen to try it, let me know in the comment section below. It's really, really good. I had to pass the word on to you. All right, talk to you later. Have an amazing, fantastic day. Take good care. Bye-bye.